Hello friends, this is Shahzad and you are watching Shahzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on and turn off app privacy report on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. Firstly, you can make sure that you have updated with latest version. So just simply go to settings. Here you can see many options. Just scroll up and now you can see general option, tap on it. Here you can see software update, tap on it, checking for update. So guys, if you have any pending update, tap on update now to update the iOS and fix your problem. So go back and again tap on settings, scroll up, and here you can see privacy and security, tap on it, scroll up again, and in the last you can see app privacy report, tap on it, and here you can see turn on app privacy report, tap on it to turn on app privacy report, and now you can appear on the screen. For turning it off, go back and again tap on settings. Here you can scroll up and now you can see privacy and security, again scroll up and here you can see app and privacy, tap on it. Now you can see turn off app privacy report, tap on it and tap on OK to turn off app privacy report. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.